Reducing labor costs is vital to ensuring your business's success, and labor forecasting is one tool you can use to optimize labor costs. ZoomShift gives you the power to compare your staffing budget in real time and make changes instantly to accommodate your busiest days and cut costs on the slowest. ZoomShift lets you enter labor costs into your schedule and calculate your labor costs easily on a weekly or monthly basis. You'll avoid unnecessary labor costs by showing you inconsistencies in your schedule in real time. With ZoomShift, you can put auditing your labor costs on autopilot. To begin, enter each employee and their hourly wages into ZoomShift. Once that's complete, you can create shift error rules to make you aware of conflicts and overlaps between shifts, availability, time off requests, and more importantly, overtime. Setting up such rules can dramatically reduce unnecessary labor costs and is the key to this entire process. When all employees' data and rules are set, just drag shifts on the calendar to set up schedules. ZoomShift will alert you if you accidentally schedule overtime, then just drag and drop to minimize costs. ZoomShift will give you a labor cost summary for each employee. You can view it on the calendar for the entire month or narrow the view down to do a weekly review by employee. ZoomShift also makes it easy to compare daily revenue with daily labor costs, so you can use these insights to properly staff. And ZoomShift lets you filter by team members, positions, and locations for maximum efficiency. The simplicity of ZoomShift's labor forecast tool is the secret to its success. Once you've entered the necessary data and set up your rules, you can easily drag shifts around, review previous labor costs, and more accurately predict your company's staffing needs, all of which saves you precious time, money, and resources.